When your moment comes, grab hold and own it. Never let go, stand tall and hold tight.
Alright guys, so welcome back to Vegas Gabe. We're in Minneapolis. So an out-of-state edition of Vegas Gabe here. I'm here for work. I'm going to be here for a few days. So we're at the Hilton Garden Inn, Mall of America. It's about 4 miles. It seems shorter than that from the airport though. It was a very quick drive from the airport. They do have a shuttle service that runs every 30 minutes, 24 hours, and it's complimentary. It's actually really nice. Here's the Hilton Garden Inn. They have a nice patio area. I believe that's part of the restaurant. They have an indoor pool, some stuff like that. But let's go check in. Let's go get a tour of the room. Alright, welcome back to Vegas Gabe, guys. We have an out-of-state edition for you today. We're actually in Minneapolis, Minnesota. So I'm at the Hilton Garden Inn. It's the Hilton Garden Inn that's attached or kind of close by to the Mall of America. So I just checked in like not even 5 minutes ago. Let me flip the camera around and show you around here the room. So here's the door. When you walk in, immediately to your left you have the bathroom. Seems very clean, very clean, well lit. Pretty much has everything you need. Your towels, your hair dryer if you need that. The shower is very clean. You have your shampoo, your conditioner, and your shower gel there. That's good. Let's see what else we have here. Hand soap, tissue, your face soap, makeup remover wipes, and body lotion. Plenty of towels, which is pretty cool. Alright, then you have where you can hang up your laundry and stuff. Or actually, I should say your laundry bag plus your hangers, so you can hang up your shirts, pants, dresses, whatever you have. Ironing, or an iron and an ironing board. Extra pillow and blanket up here. This is kind of cool though. Nice little couch here. Has a nice little table you can put wherever you want to. I think it's a nice little touch. I'm going to be here for a few days, so it's kind of cool to have somewhere to sit down, you know what I mean? Stains, but anyway, let's do the comfort test here. Let's see here. Actually, it's pretty comfortable. I'll give it that. It's pretty good. I like it. Nothing really to complain about. I like it. So let's continue with the room tour here. Here's the bed. The bed comes with four different pillows. Let's see. Looks like you have a bed sheet plus a bed sheet plus a blanket. This one actually, I don't know if there's another switch for it, but the only switch I was able to find was down there. Nice little painting, but kind of feel like there was supposed to be two. I don't know. What do you guys think? Other than that, you have your TV. They programmed it to me, which is pretty cool. You do have a microwave. I like that. Your ice bucket, a couple extra coffee cups there. It does come with the Keurig and with extra coffee cups in here. It has breakfast blend, house blend, English breakfast black tea, hot chocolate mix, and jasmine green tea. Okay, so a few different varieties. But if you're looking for coffee, you have two breakfast blends and one decaf. Other than that, you do actually have another seat here, and that kind of has the pillow thing, the ottoman I guess it's called, plus it has the extra table. These tables are kind of cool. I've never seen that at a Hilton Garden Inn before. It's pretty neat though. And then this does have a view. Not really. It's just a parking lot view. One thing I'll say about Minneapolis, it's a very nice change. It's very green here, and I actually really welcome that. Coming from Vegas, which is desert and dry and 100 and some degree heat when I left, coming to very green everything. Actually, it's a really nice change for me. But these do go down. These blinds here do go down, and they're very thick. So I'd be willing to bet that they keep a lot of the light out. So if you're trying to sleep in or something like that, these are really thick. I bet they'd help out a lot. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, we got to do the test here. Let's see here. See how. Oh, other than the noise. Actually, the bed's pretty comfortable. It's pretty firm. It's firm, but seems pretty comfortable so far, so I think it'll be good. But anyway, let's give one final look around. It's funny, on my live stream yesterday, we kind of went over Vegas prices, and some properties were charging $27 for a water bottle. At least this one's only $2. But if you're diamond, gold, and silver, it's actually free. But if you're not, and you're just like a basic Hilton member, you're not a Hilton Honors member, then it's $2 a water bottle. So not as bad as Vegas, at least. One thing I will mention is it does have, here, let me see. There we go. It does have a USB plus 2 power outlets right there. So if you're going to bring a laptop for work or whatnot, you do have your chair here, your computer chair. It does have plenty of space for it. Just move the water bottles. Pretty good space, actually. You can get yourself all plugged in here, phone charger, laptop charger, whatever you need. And then also it has 3 power outlets over here near the bed, and also another USB type, or USB 3.0. So 3 outlets and a USB 3.0. USB 3.0 are the older ones, like that, not the like Lightning, you know what I mean, or Thunderbolt. The only thing I will mention is I'm always a fan when hotels have there's one power outlet there at least. But I'm always a fan when hotels put them on both sides, you know what I mean? Because if you're here with someone, obviously they're going to need to plug in their own phone, and you're going to need to plug in your own phone. So I'm always a fan when they put it on both sides, but at least there's 3 outlets there plus 1 USB, so that's kind of cool. But overall, a very spacious room. Another outlet, or 2 outlets technically, over here by the sofa. So overall, I like it so far. They have an indoor pool and an indoor gym, so I'll try to go down there and kind of give you a tour of the rest of the facilities here. Alright guys, so I landed at the Minneapolis airport. It took a few minutes to go through the airport. There is some construction going on there. Looks like they're building it or expanding it or something. After that, I got a shuttle that runs to my hotel. Luckily, it's a free shuttle, runs every like 30 minutes. Pretty cool, pretty convenient, actually. So I'm in my room now. It's actually a nice room. I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty big, has a sofa and everything. If you want to see the full room tour, I'm making a separate video for that, so you can see it on my channel. But other than that, I have about an hour and a half to kill, and then I gotta get started with my business trip. But yeah, either tonight after that or tomorrow, we'll go out and do something cool. Fact, China Doll's actually meeting me here, so China Doll, my girlfriend, is able to come with me. So she'll be arriving in about 3 hours or so. So she'll be arriving while I'm in the business orientation. So but yeah, we'll do something. We're gonna get dinner at least one of these nights, and we'll explore the town as much as we can. So stay tuned. So here's the lobby area, pretty big lobby area. They do have a big group checking in right now, so that's why there's a long line, but it wasn't like that earlier. Here's a little pantry, we can buy stuff. Let's go take a quick look at the restaurant now. So breakfast 6 to 9 or 6 to 10 on weekends, and the grill and bar 5 to 10 p.m. So this is the indoor pool. The hours are 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. That's actually pretty cool. Even Vegas pools don't close that late, so that's pretty awesome actually. They do have towels available for you here, so you don't have to worry about bringing towels down. Towels are here, little shower area. But it's actually a pretty cool pool. Plenty of seats right here, so it's actually pretty neat. I should have brought my stuff. I didn't know they were open until 11 p.m. or I probably would have brought my swim attire to jump in there for a little bit. But I see the gym. Let's go check out the gym now. So they have a laundry mat. It's open 24 hours. They said it's about $4 per load for the washer and dryer. And then here's the gym. Open 24 hours. So some treadmills, an elliptical, a couple ellipticals, bike. I have towels down here for you as well. Kind of cool. Overall, I like it. It's pretty